12.3-inch Carplay Auto for Audi 09165 car video player is a state-of-the-art in-car entertainment and navigation system designed to enhance your driving experience. Featuring the latest Android 13 operating system, an 8-core processor, 8 GB of running memory, and 128 GB of storage, this device ensures smooth and efficient performance. With a high-definition 1920 by 720p touchscreen and a main frequency of up to 2.0 GHz, it delivers crisp visuals and responsive functionality, making it a perfect upgrade for your Audi Q5. This system supports both iOS Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless interaction between your smartphone and the car's display. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, you can easily connect wirelessly and access your favorite apps, navigation, and media directly on the 12.3-inch screen. The wireless connectivity ensures a clutter-free experience, allowing you to focus on the road. The system offers a wide range of entertainment options, including online audio, online video, and local media playback. You can stream your favorite content, browse the internet, or enjoy Bluetooth audio, making every drive enjoyable. The high-resolution touchscreen ensures that videos and graphics are displayed with exceptional clarity. For navigation, the system supports Google Maps, Ego Maps, and other popular navigation apps. Whether you're commuting or exploring new destinations, the GPS functionality provides accurate and real-time directions, ensuring you never lose your way. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, the system delivers clear and stable audio, even at high speeds. You can make hands-free calls, stream audio, and access your phone's address book with ease. The advanced Bluetooth technology ensures a superior audio experience. Whether you're listening to audio or taking calls, the system is compatible with your car's existing reversing camera. If your Audi Q5 already has a reversing image system, this device will support it. If not, the seller provides a reversing camera as a gift, ensuring you have all the necessary tools for safe and convenient parking.